Oh wait. See what that sign says? I think it says, I don't know. That's what I think it says. But down, what? Down that pathway is the birdhouse. But first, we're gonna look over this bridge.
Yeah, there's all the big koi on there. Oh,
A what?
a fish.
A koyar?
Koi.
Oh, koi. Oh, koi.
C-O-Y.
Yeah.
Which is really carp.
Tell me what's on my phone.
Look at them.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
tell me, be careful with Mia.
I
Don't,
got my arm around her.
I don't, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Huge, aren't they?
Wait, isn't that the koi? I hope I'm getting this on film. I hope I'm getting this on the camera.
I don't know, honey. The sun's bright. I can't see in there. The koi are right down here in front of the bridge.
Oh, that must be like a log
That's
thing.
a big log out there, yes. Okay.
Well, that's... Well, I can't say crap in front of Mia.
Yes, they are humongous.
They look like blister cats. Where is he? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I hope I don't... There we go. Look at that. There's a waterfall. See? You can see that waterfall right there. I think this railing is metal.
There's little minnows in there underneath.
So
They're bottom feeders, honey.
I hope I don't get any camera problems with both phones. This is my third time filming here, guys. So I hope we have a good experience. Let me zoom out. I better have a good experience filming here, guys. This is my third time filming.
Is there a little duck in there?
Yes, there are baby ones. Oh, there sure are. There's a mom in there with them, but yeah.
Yeah, people walking through the bushes.
There's the house. There's the building.
Cute.
Look at all these trees. I'm gonna film that. Oh crap!
I can push
I'm gonna film
Can I
the.
stay lines now? I'll push one. Can I stay in line now?
No, we're gonna go see birds.
I'm gonna film the ground the rest of the path.
Mia and me love birds, don't we, Mia? No, they're not. No, I'm just
There's a soda. There's a soda bottle shaped garbage bin.
making them funny.
LED lights. Quiet zone. This building is a quiet zone. An orange bird.
He's a very light orange
I may or may not get any animals on. I may or may not get all the animals in the picture, but bear with me. I may or may not get all the animals in the picture.
Let's go. Watch your step. We're holding up the line.
See?
Oops. Sorry, dude. Where are we going?
This goes over here. LED lights. I do like the walls, guys. There's a red sign that says, yeah. Oh crap. There's a red sign that says, Penguin Ports of Call.
There's more animals than penguins.
What are we in this corner for? Penguin Hall, presented by Zoo Pride. What are we in the corner for?
We're just standing there, staying out of the way.
You go up there deep.
Yeah, you can go up there and look at them.
And Mia are up there.
That pathway goes to my favorite part of the exhibit, guys. I don't know, I don't feel like going all by myself and filming. Wait, we don't have to go in there right now. Okay. Brace yourselves. Brace yourselves, guys. See? This is exactly why I might start construction on dog hole atrium soon, so. I love these skylights, guys. There's an exit sign right there. Let's wait for the rest of the gang. There's gonna be like.
Did you get those big birds way up there?
I told the people that I told my audience that I won't be able to get all the animals in the picture.
Right.
So.
Top of the rocks, up there. Look at this.
So I don't want to hear any
Look at them
like.
way up there, the big ones.
Oh. Oh well.
I don't know what kind those are, but they're big.
You can hear the birds.
Oh, he's right.
So bear with me, guys. I may not get all the animals in the picture, but just bear with me. I'm doing the best that I can.
There's some ducks down here, honey.
So I don't want to hear any bad comments, guys. I'm sorry, but that's just the way that I'm at least trying, so bear with me. Okay. Oh. There's the waterfall. What's with that sign? What's See? Look at that, dude! Look at that! Alright, that's cool. I'm getting splashed with water. I'm gonna go on the bridge. Have you heard of a video game called Undertale?
No, I have not.
You want to keep walking?
Undertale has an unused track called Dog Hole, and it inspired me to build a Roblox place called Dog Hole Mall. We're back in the quiet zone, so be quiet, guys. I like the structuring, guys. Oh wow. Still in 2024, these fluorescent light fixtures are still original. Pretty historic, hey? These fluorescent lights are original here. So, Wait, is this backlit?
Yeah, the little guy, yeah.
Nope, it's not backlit. Thought that thing was backlit for a second, but it's not. Oh well.
Oh, over there in the corner. Oh, there he is. Look at the little animal.
Mom,
That's a cool
Mom,
noise.
can you see what I'm getting? Can you tell if I'm getting the animal in the picture?
What?
Can you tell if I'm getting the animal in the picture?
Animals in the picture back here in the corner, dude. I got him a little bit, okay?
Thanks.
That is so good. Yeah, it's a
So, we're doing the best that we can do, guys. Fun fact, Mom. These fluorescent lights are original.
So much toys and clothes and
See?
all over the place.
That's pretty weird and cool. These old fluorescent pictures are original, and I think they're
If they're not out by
F40 T12.
Nate's got to pay rent on the old place as well. You know,
yeah.
you know, and he says Nate's got
And I think they take 4 bulbs, so I think they're 160 watts. This thing may run out of memory, guys. So, death of the rainforest. Oh geez. Didn't mean to get him on camera.
No, maybe a little different. No, Mom, I think that one's different. I think that
See?
one's that one.
Pretty cool, hey? Wonder what that thing is. There's a fire extinguisher. Yep, fire extinguisher.
Mom's right there. Mom's right there, Mia.
Mom's right here.
Where are the lions?
They're outside. We'll get to them.
Are they feeding?
This used to be all covered with solid white, so you couldn't see the lights inside. See? This whole blanketed ceiling used to be all covered with solid, or like, I don't know. Alright, let's go on this part now. See?
Look at the little ducks.
Where are they?
Down there.
Let me zoom in. Yep, I got it on camera. Yay.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, drywalled ceiling.
What's the they bought?
There's the sign. There's the bench. There's the exit sign.
Friday.
Yeah.
LED. I think these are. Yeah, I think these are halogen. Yeah, I think these lights are halogen.
Tell you the windshield wiper thing well was leaking, so when it rained, the floor in the front seat would get all wet. Yeah, the floor in the front.
Yeah, I think.
That first time it happened,
I think these are either LED or halogen. So, tell me in the comments if these are LED or halogen or not. What's that sound?
He's in there cleaning the bird cage, so he's cleaning the bird.
Oh. Crap, I didn't mean to get that little kid on camera.
also some similar. We had one of those. The chocolate tall.
That thing is cool. It looked like a tree. It looked like a...
See? Look inside there. Pretty cool, hey?
But she has it under a cloth, so it doesn't know where it's going. She don't fall asleep.
Oh, sorry.
He's a ton.
I'm gonna stop.
Did you see that one up there?
Tree, didn't he?
Ah, nice breeze.
Cold. Let's go.
I think they're halogen or
Oh, she wants the pennies. She's not a penny.
Oh, that's a plastic thing.
Yeah.
The penny ones are smaller.
The small ones. What's this one? Look at the plastic things. Big ones.
too late. Can't get a look at that thing. That's it. That does it for the birdhouse. Like what?
Grains are out here. Did you see those?
That's it for the birdhouse exhibit. And while we're in the Apes of Africa, my algae journey may cut out, guys. So, I may have to film the rest of the experience with my Samsung phone. So,
Yeah, what they were renting.
You wanna go see those big ones back there, Mia?
look at that pathway.
Yeah. Yeah. Go see the big birds back there?
Oh, sorry.
No?
Oh, they're huge. They're big
tired of
cranes,
birds.
honey.
They're like the cranes.
Tired already?
Tired of birds.
Yeah, she's tired of birds.
She wants to see the lions. I think they're on the other side.
She's like me.
Anybody need a cup?
I have cheese sticks along too if anybody wants and some grapes. Thank you.
Have another one.
Do you want to see monk? Wait, isn't the Apes of Africa exhibit under construction?
We don't know, do we haven't been past it yet.
Green grapes. Just a small one.
That'll be it for now.